Hi everyone, welcome back to Laravel channel. So before part I show you already how to install package straps and payment, but today I want to show you how to create authentication customer login into the dashboard customer. Okay, don't waste time, follow me step by step. And the first, we create a model customer refer to the customer database refer to the customer. Okay, we create a customer here. Okay, I create the customer. When we create a customer already, go to the package. In the app customer default, when we create the customer, I click, and the customer we want to extend from the authentication, so we copy from the user.php model. Okay, I copy all, so I pass yes. Okay, when we pass already, we want to change class user to customer. Yes, and the variable refer to the column customer table. Okay, and we click. We saw the structure of the customer, but we log in with the username and email and password. So when I rename name to username, but you can take a time to include the customer from the tables, but I don't want to take time. Okay, and the API token, yes, there is no column table in the customer, so we add API customer, but I don't want to add it. Okay, I show you and the next time. And then we create the customer extend authenticate tickable. Right now we go to config, click the auth.php. We want to create the card, create the guard, because in the Laravel framework default guard webs refer to the web and user. Okay, right now we create the guard name, so I copy all. Yeah, I copy from the guard. Yes. So we change web to the customer because we create the guard name. So I keep customer, and provider refer to the customer tab. Customer, we change to customer. Okay, when we create guard already, go down to find provider and copy from the user provider and a password, and change to the customer. And this is the model refer to the customer here. Okay, customer model. We change user to customer. If you use customer in the model, we can use the like this, for example, model / customer, but I use into F then customer model. Okay, I check it. Okay, when we create the provider already, go down to the customer, reset password. Okay, we change user to customer. Okay, provider customer. Okay, we can check again, but for me I create the already. If we want to create the API customer with the mobile development, you can add the customer API, but I explain you in this time when I create the mobile with the Flutter. Okay, so we skip here. When we create guard already, we get the controller, for example, I clear. We use the controller customer slash and customer login controller. Okay, we create the customer home, customer controller. When we add the customer controller, we go to and edit the page controller and customer controller. We create we copy from the home. Okay, we copy from we copy and choose customer controller. But now we include here. Okay, and in the structures, in the structs middleware, we add and semicolon. We use the customer guard name refer to the auth that I configured already in the auth.php refer to the guard customer here. Okay, we go to customer again, and this is the customer home. But before we create the customer home, okay, customer dot home. Okay, when we create already, we go to route and web.php. We create the customer route. Okay, we use the prefix because I don't want to add the namespace customer over and over again. Refer to the prefix and customer, and then we use the namespace. Yes, namespace refer to the namespace customer, and we don't want to add the customer base slash and customer, so we use it like this. Is customer and group function here. Okay, right now we create the route customer slash. Okay, sorry, I create route slash home. Okay, so we use the namespace already. We don't include. Yeah, we don't include it like this. And customer, but we remove the customer. Yeah, customer controller as in touch. Okay, we create the route slash login and customer login controller as so login form. Customer login. And right now we create the push customer controller, customer login controller as login. So we go to the customer login. Okay. We go to customer login. We want to copy from the auth Okay, I copy all, and right now we go to the customer login. Okay, we change customer/home. And auth we change to customer, refer to the namespace customer here. Okay, when we create we change customer, and guess we use the customer guides reception checkout public function, so login form, return we use customer login, function logout, yes, we use auth, and guide name refer to the customer, and logout. Okay, we want to redirect to default webs routes. Okay, when we redirect to route name card, okay, when we create already, please go to result directory and we create a customer folder, and we create the home .php HTML customer home. Okay, in the customer home we want to create login page, login.php. So we copy from the login class. Yes. Okay, I copy all. Customer login, I pass it. So the login page, from the action we add customer. I will log in with the email here. Okay, right now we go to the form. We go to the website, and right now we customer login. Okay, and right now the customer so here, but and the customer we change to use customer login. Yes, customer. So we refresh again, and this is the customer, but I want to change class style. Okay, I input the same, customer login. Okay, when we create a customer login, for example, we go to customer login, we add the class name function login. Validate. Yes, we add the class, so I copy a request here. Image to requires we use the guard customer and attempts required to the emails. Password. Intended browse customer home. Generate base. Okay, we close all, and then go to exception. Handler PHP includes the class authentication exception and don't report here. Just we can go to the website and copy from the website here, or you can click the link on below my video. Okay, and I copy this. So we scroll down and we create a function here and authenticate it, and this is the create with the APIs or the JSON specs and return the and authenticate it like the APIs. Okay, right now we want to switch and guards customer login customer dot login and else with the default which is the login here, login default. Okay, when we create exception in handler already, we do edit the page and click the red rag. If authenticated, we want to check the guard. Okay, I copy here, switch, and we use the guard here. Customer and right now we want to redirect routes customer home. Okay, and we add the home. Okay, so when we create like this already, so we go to customer again. Okay, so in the customer I has we create the user to log in the customer, for example addition Tinker. PHP yeah, we change with the file field, for example customer name, search DB, username, password, email here. So we add the column requires customer DB we log in with the email customer at gmail.com. Username customer and password will be grips customer. Okay, right now we create the ideal customer. Okay, we refresh. And right now I create the customer name and username customer, email customer, password customer. Okay, right now we log in the customer here. So we log in the customer, and I log into customer. Okay, right now we go to the home page, customer, or we can change to the dashboard. So when we create the customer homepage already, but we want to input the dashboard to the customer, so we click here. Yeah, I copy all, create. Yeah. In layout, we create a customer.blend.php. Okay, we delete here. So go to the customer, and right now we add the extend home, extend layout. Yes, layout dot customer, and add section. Content and section here. So then I will refresh again. Okay, and this is the whole customer home. And then when we create the customer home already, and we go to the layout and the customer, we want to include customer header here. So before we include, I copy, yes, right click menu, and we add customer header.blend.php, and sidebar copy, customer sidebar.php. Okay, I close all again. So in the home page, so in the layout customer, we include in menu here. Header, and include menu dot sidebar. Okay, we refresh again. So menu customer header not found. We go to check again. Okay, we refresh, and sidebar not found. Customer sidebar dot. Okay, we use the underscore. Okay, so right now this is the customer, so we change the header customer to use customer, and we use auth get customer and username, yeah, refer to, and username of customer, not user. Okay, right now we change, and we close get custom and the same. Okay, the logout with customer logout. Okay, verify again. Okay, customer logout notifies. So we go to the browse. Logout and customer adds logout. Okay. Okay, and this is the customer name here. So we configure the image name. Okay, refresh again. Okay, and this is the customer here. So we don't want to show menu admin. So I configure already, close, and go to customer sidebar again, and we add got customer username. Okay, when I delete all. Yeah, and this is the dashboard customer. So we go to again and okay. And this is the home. We go to customer home. Okay, we refresh again and customer home. Okay, when we create already, so right now, but and this is the non-user because when the customer we want to change URL to the customer login here. Yes, so we go to nails front end and we go to scroll down and find we add the login customer. Okay, and I create here's okay, and this is the login customer. So we use customer and customer password. Okay, and customer login here. Okay, and this is the customer home. So now if we want to the login with the customer user login, we add the product, we admins and password, and then we go to the page the admin here. Now okay, right now we want to login, so I login from the customer again. For example, customer and customer. Okay, I refresh again. Customer. So if we change to the login in, and then redirect to the customer home again. Okay, right now we sign out again. Okay, and this part I want to finish, and the next time we want to continue to call the customer product, and especially when we add the customer address with the login with the checkout. Okay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you everybody, say goodbye.